Did you know that the right workplace policies can be your business's secret superpower? Have you ever wondered how much poor performance and productivity is costing your business? It can be an uncomfortable thought, can't it? While your team can be your greatest asset, in some instances, they can also be your greatest liability. Now, workplace policies are statements of principles and practices that guide how your staff manages your organization, handles operational problems, and they're a guide for reasonable management action and are also directions. A couple to consider include a code of conduct, which sets the rules and behavior, responsibilities, and standards required. Another important one is having workplace health and safety policies. Now, especially with the onset of psychosocial risks and hazards, with physical injuries, injury management, and dealing with mental illness, there are numerous health and safety policies that need to be in place. If your organization deals with high risk, then a WHS policy should be essential and be reviewed regularly. Another policy to consider is one dealing with discrimination, bullying, and sexual harassment. These policies should clearly define what is classified as discrimination, bullying, and sexual harassment, and outline preventative measures, as well as clear processes for making and following through on a complaint. For managers, there'll also need to be training on these policies, especially for how to manage these situations. There are many more, such as interaction with customers and company property, especially confidential information. However, in our digital age, a social media policy is essential. With significant time spent on social media and a growing trend to share everything openly, even encouraged by organizations as a marketing tool, a social media policy that requires employees conduct themselves professionally when using the company's social media accounts and their own social media accounts is also essential. Your social media policy should outline the restrictions on staff using social media at work, what is acceptable and unacceptable behavior online, and the requirements when managing the company's social media accounts. Not sure if your company's policies cover all these bases? That's okay. MB Employment Law offer an obligation-free consultation for employers so we can help. Check out the article linked in the comments below or lawyersforemployers.com.au.